Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from infosharing360.com. Alright, we will be discussing two methods in this particular video to remove duplicate values using an Excel file. Let's get started. There are basically two columns in this Excel sheet, B and C, and each column has more than 150 values. One thing is for sure, there are lots of duplicate values in both these columns. Now, to get rid of those duplicate values, first we need to specify the range. We've specified the range. And then there are two methods. One is through a short key and the other one is through a tab. So first I'll use a tab to remove duplicate values. For that I need to go to main ribbon, select tab data, and then go to remove duplicates tab. This will open up a dialog box specifying both the columns that we have selected. All I need to do is to press OK to perform the action of removal of duplicate values. So it has found 49 duplicate values and it has also removed those 49 values, and 109 unique values remain. So this was the first method. Now I'm going to undo all the actions that we have performed to ensure it's worked. Okay, now I want to show you the second method. For that we also need to specify the range. Once I've specified the range, I'll press three keys. Now, one thing important about this short keys method is that we need not to press all the keys simultaneously. We'll use all the keys one by one. First, I'll press Alt key, then I'll press A key, and lastly M key. This has opened up the same dialog box which we used in our previous method. We'll follow the same procedure and it has removed the duplicate values. So that's how duplicate values are removed from an Excel file. Well, thank you for watching this video.